Next, we have data transfer options in cloud storage. Now that we have covered the fundamentals of cloud storage, we need to look at how to actually get your data into a bucket. Choosing the right path depends on your source, the volume of data, and your available network connectivity. The first option is gCloud Storage Command Line tool, which allows you to move data from either an on-premises environment or from within GCP itself. This is the best fit when you have less than 1 terabyte of data to move. Because this involves a relatively small amount of data, it uses an online transfer type to send files directly over the internet. Next, we have the Storage Transfer Service. This option expands your reach to an on-premises source, GCP, or even another cloud storage provider like AWS or Azure. You will choose this when your data scales from 1 terabyte to hundreds of terabytes. To ensure these larger volumes move efficiently, it performs an online transfer, where at least 100 megabits per second of bandwidth is recommended. Finally, there is the Transfer Appliance. This is a physical, high-capacity server that Google ships to your data center, so it's used exclusively for an on-premises source. It is designed for cases where you have more than hundreds of terabytes, where moving data over the internet is no longer practical or your bandwidth is not enough. Therefore, it utilizes an offline transfer type by physically shipping the hardware back to a Google data center. These options are specifically for moving files and objects into cloud storage. And keep in mind that while these are common tools, you will notice that exam questions prioritize database migration services. And that's it for this lesson.